This is a closed junction because you can't see on your right
And the left?
and the left. So we will need to follow the MSPSL routine. Mirror, signal, position, speed and look. And once we approach to the junction, then we will apply LADA. Look, assess, decide and act.
Okay, yeah.
So we'll give the signal about 6-7 cars.
Okay, 7 to 8 car.
7 to 8 cars, signal down, and you will check your mirrors, you will signal, you will position to the left, slow down, and then you will look. And once we approach to the junction,
Looking how we judge.
so once we approach there, then if it's a closed junction completely, then we probably will need to do peep and creep, and peep and creep. Lean forward and slow down, slow pace, maybe up to 5 miles, and look around. If you need to stop, you stop, and then we'll turn.
Okay. The first is stop behind the line.
Yeah, before.
Second is lean forward
Lean
to
forward.
the steering, and then peep and creep.
Peep and creep.
Fine.
Move when you're ready.
Fine. Okay. I'll move the car and position there.
Yeah, we will take the first road on the left.
I'll go a little bit reverse here.
Yeah.
And you're gonna talk me through here.
Position yourself, slow down, signal, mirror, signal, slow down, and you will look, and you will stop behind the stop line, stop.
Here?
Yeah. And you look, now the junction is clear for you, nothing is blocking, and then we will start turning.
When?
When you read the reference point.
Oh.
Sorry.
Your reference point?
Yeah. No, your reference point.
Okay. Shall I turn now?
Yes, after this car. Well done. Yeah. Now straighten the steering. Yeah. And progress with the speed.
Yeah. Look in the mirror.
Look in the mirror.
Look at the speedometer.
Speedometer.
And make a progress.
And make progress.
So what's behind you? Anyone trying to overtake you? Look at the speedometer. Make a progress.
Make a progress. Okay. What do you think the next junction is? A closed junction or open junction?
I say closed junction.
Yes, well done. And we'll turn left at the end of the road.
Okay.
And you will need to do MSPSL routine: mirror, signal,
Which one mirror?
center mirror, and left mirror. Because we're turning left.
Okay. Yeah.
Mirror,
And
check the mirror, signal down,
Signal down. Yeah.
position. Well done on the left. Then slow the speed.
What number shall I go to for the speed?
For the speed, up to 10 miles, then slow down, bring it to 5.
5.
And we'll stop before the stop line.
Keep it 3 miles rolling towards the
Rolling towards
the gateway.
Yeah, and you will stop here. Is it clear for you?
I can walk across?
Yes. You can walk across,
Oh,
you
yes.
can turn.
Okay.
Look, and we're going to apply LADA here. Look, assess, decide.
Oh
and
yeah,
act.
look, assess, decide and act. So I can walk across. So
This
what's
side
the
is-
point of turn?
Your reference point. And start turning now. Well done. Well
New
done.
road.
Check the mirror, new road, new mirror.
Look at the speedometer.
Speedometer and make progress.
Make a progress. Second one is approaching, turning left.
Okay. So we will take the next road on the left.
Which
Then
mirror?
apply the same routine, MSPS, center mirror, left mirror, signal down, speed, and you will look.
Slow down with the foot brake.
Yeah, foot brake.
Gear 1 here.
Gear 1 here, and you will start turning here.
This one?
Yeah. Well done on the left. Yeah, and make progress.
Check your mirrors.
Check your mirrors and make progress.
Look my speedometer and make a progress.
Make a progress.
And then I'm gonna pull up on
Okay.
a I'll pull up on the right side. Yeah, there's more race curve there.
Okay.
How's it for you?
Good.
MSPSL
Yeah.
and LADA.
LADA.
Fine.
Did I explain good LADA when the car was coming? Just
Have a look again. So if you're turning left there, so which side traffic are we looking at?
left and right.
If you're turning left,
Yeah, if we turn left, we'll be looking left. Also right.
right. So we make it simple. So look on the right side. If you can walk across in front of this car, then turn left.
Okay.
If this car is turning right here, do they have any effect on us?
No. If it's a stupid driver cutting your lane, then
Well, he might be in a rush to go somewhere.
yeah.
Someone we haven't seen their life.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that scenario, what we do is slow down and stop.
Slow down and stop.
That's
So
it.
LADA is gonna apply here. If
LADA
Like-
is going to apply this side.
LADA is gonna apply this side.
Yes.
Okay.
Because your judgment is from this side to turn left.
Okay. But you're gonna keep your eyes open to see.
Yeah, I mean someone
what-
is. Yeah. What
what's-
what you do if there's emergency services coming or ambulance coming here?
Yeah, you got to stop. Yeah.
Yeah, you hold back, let them go.
Yeah.
Similarly, if someone in rush to go, you let them go.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are not racing driver.
No, not at all. Now, if you look up your yes, reference point book, have you explained me the reference points?
No. I didn't explain your reference point.
But you asked me to follow your reference point.
My reference point. Yeah, I was focusing on that
Yes.
because you can't see my reference point.
No.
You need to have your reference point.
Yes. So you know your reference point when to turn, when
Yeah.
your car should be turning.
Yeah.
So you're gonna introduce those reference point to your learner now.
Okay. So this is left.
This is left approaching.
Yeah.
See the
approaching.
picture of that?
Yeah.
So left approaching is, which picture will be there on the diagram book? Big one.
On this one.
Yeah. This is emerging, right?
emerging, this
So
is-
take the emerging out in the picture.
This is approaching. This is emerging.
No, this is approaching right.
This is approaching.
This is your side.
Approaching.
That's
is
your
emerging.
reference point. See the bird eye view here picture.
Yeah.
So this is your emerging left. This one. And this is emerging right.
So we need to go further.
Yeah, then you got the maneuvers in.
So where are we gonna find that?
There, you just pass that.
Okay.
Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going. See, it's emerging right.
Yeah.
Just one back. It's emerging left.
Mm-hmm.
See the bird eye view.
Yeah.
That's what talking about this one.
Okay.
So stopping behind the line
Behind the line.
with the reference point of that giveaway line.